One of the major procedures I perform at Music City Plastic Surgery is Mommy Makeover. Mommy Makeover is typically involving the breast area, so it can involve a breast lift and or augmentation, and it involves the abdominal region, which is tummy tuck, and or liposuction. It can involve a bunch of other things as well. It's very individualized and it's very specific to each patient. So we started doing a fair amount of mommy makeovers, and it got to the point where I felt like we could share this easier and better with a wider audience. So I was able to put my experiences down in a book and created the Mommy Makeover, Restoring Your Body After Childbirth. And it was a #1 Amazon best-selling book, and it was also a Silver Choice winner of the Mom's Choice Award. And so instead of just affecting one person one-on-one, you get the information out to somebody who's maybe researching at home. She doesn't have to make the trip in the office, feel embarrassed, worry about privacy issues. She can just do the research on her own. If you're a mom who's gone through pregnancy and childbirth, you've sacrificed a lot. And my idea is, you know what, maybe it's time to take some time for you. Maybe it's time to do something for yourself. It's hard being a parent. And so if I can help change something in a parent's life, if I can help them become a better parent by feeling better and more confident, I'm all for that. The good news is our team is gonna walk with you through this journey. They're gonna journey with you the whole way, and any concerns, any care you have, it's a quick, easy phone call, it's a quick, easy visit, and we're right there along with you. It's an easy operation, and it really can be life-changing. It takes about 4 to 6 hours, go home the same day, it takes about 2 weeks to recover, and so they're back to their normal routine within a week to 2 weeks. It's awesome when I see patients back after a mommy makeover. Their confidence is through the roof. It's great to see even reports and stories about their kids. I had one woman, she would bring her 13-year-old daughter in, and she was excited and just said how much more confident her mom was, how nicer she was. And I hear those reports, day in and day out about how this mom, is a better wife, is a better person in her career because she's not held back by this. And I believe you're a better mom if you can devote some time to you.